Today we'll talk about how can you turn on email notifications on your Remit app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Remit app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on notifications, you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to your email here, just click in this sign. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on turn on notifications. So then automatically, like you see now, it's enabled with us here email notifications on your app, on your Remit app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.